Hey, good afternoon, guys. Mrs. Qwik here. And
Mr. Qwik, yep.
you know who that is. Yeah, guys, we are out here in St. Louis at the first big snowstorm of the season. And this one hits a little different. If you didn't know, our roads slow down. Our city gets a little quiet. And especially for transportation drivers like us. And this is when the real test begins. Fourth quarter is supposed to be a busy season. But over the last few years, it's been a mixed bag, literally. So let's talk. Let's talk about navigating this fourth quarter slowdown. One day, you're slammed with freight, and the next, everything just drops out. These big weather delays, not to mention our economic slowdown, holidays, staffing shortages, you name it. The work gets unpredictable real fast. But here's the thing. Challenges just don't shut us down. They should sharpen us. This season isn't about surviving the slowdown. It's about learning how to thrive in it. So guys, let's thrive. So, when the weather gets rough, preparation becomes everything. How do you prepare? Well, this is one thing you can do. You can keep your van ready. Or whatever you're driving, your van, your box truck, your car, your SUV. And the next one of the most important is keep your mindset steady. When other drivers or other companies in the transportation industry, when they start to cancel and companies become hesitant, reliability becomes our advantage. It becomes your advantage. Shippers, believe me, they remember drivers who showed up when the conditions weren't perfect. Now, I'm not saying go out like we just went out, like you're watching us drive right now in treacherous weather. Of course not. I'm not saying that. Now, be mindful of weather conditions. Always watch that radar before you go. No. Before you go, know what your streets are looking like. Even when it's hot outside, you want to stay prepared for that. Because at any moment, you break down on the road, you got to pull over, you flip over, God forbid. But any of those things, you want to be prepared. You want to have things in your van, in your transportation vehicle that can keep you safe, warm, cool, until help arrives. So, when the weather gets rough and you're starting to prepare for things, and also when the economy cools off, that's the time you tighten your business game. You build relationships, follow up with brokers, dispatchers, and your local community. And your community could be your surrounding area and also your local cargo van community, sprinter van community, box truck community, just all your transportation communities. Let your customers know when you're available. And that's being talked about all the time. Let them know where you are. Let them know that you're in this particular city at this particular time and that you are available. Quick email, quick text message, whatever they prefer. Let them know that you're flexible and that you're hungry for that next run. You know, drivers who treat this slow season like it's a busy season, those are the ones who are still moving when other people are parked. And the Qwiks do not want to be parked, ever. Remember, slowdowns are temporary. These storms, they will pass. Literally, storms will pass. Stay consistent. Keep your professionalism and your decision making. That's what carries you into the new year. So whether it's snow on the ground or the economy is in a slump, don't let these moments discourage you. Let them refine you, open new lanes, get new customers, and there's new opportunities every day. I believe every driver who lasts in this industry knows their biggest wins don't always come from perfect conditions. And as you can see, these conditions, they're not preferable, but they're always going to come. There's always going to be a storm coming in some form or fashion, whether it's coming out of the sky or it's hitting your bottom line. But just stay steady when everything else slows down. Now, in this fourth quarter, this is where we adapt. We stay ready, because you don't have to get ready. I know you know that one. And we keep it moving. Another day, another storm will clear. And the ones who stay consistent will be the first ones rolling when the calls start back coming again. You guys get ready for 2026. Stay safe, stay smart, and as always, keep your route quick. All right, Mr. and Mrs. Qwik, we out.